Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Synthesis of acetylcholine. Synthesis of acetylcholine is by first there is glucose uptake or choline uptake. This choline, once it is uptaken, it is converted to acetyl-CoA plus choline. This acetyl-CoA plus choline gets converted to acetylcholine. It is converted to acetylcholine plus coenzyme A. This acetylcholine is taken up by the vesicles and it is released outside by exocytosis. So during this process there are certain things. The hemicolinium, this uptake of choline is blocked by the drug hemicolinium. The acetylcholine combined with choline in the presence of choline acetyl transferase, and the active transport of acetylcholine into the vesicles is blocked by vesamicol. The two toxins will interfere with the release of cholinergic vesicles into the outside, and these two toxins are botulinum, which will inhibit the release, whereas black widow spider toxin, which will induces botulinum, will inhibit the release, whereas uh, Black widow spider toxin will induce massive release and depletion. Immediately after release, acetylcholine is hydrolyzed back to acetate and choline by the enzyme choline esterase, and choline is recycled back. The specific acetylcholine esterase is of two types. We have acetylcholine esterase can be of two types. We have true acetylcholine esterase. We have pseudo or butyryl choline esterase. These two types are present in our body.
thank you and thank you for watching.